So it's Wednesday. We skipped Tuesday, but for a good reason, because we had a live workshop for desserts here in Lithuania in Kaunas. So you will see a few moments from those workshops in a shorts, in a reels section. So make sure to visit that. And coming back to the Christmas special, for this video we will be making a very simple stir fry. Why stir fry? Because it's very easy. Why? Because you simply put vegetables and grains, cook it, and that's it. So basically, why this particular dish? Because it's easy, and because when, for example, you come back to your family for the holiday season and you're short on time and you want to make some food that you can eat for yourself and to share with other people, so that's the basically easiest option to do. And you can mix it with any kind of grains. So that's rice, that's buckwheat, that's quinoa, and any kind of vegetables that you have, you can put in your stir fry as well. So mainly two things that you need to know is when and what vegetables to put in your wok, in your pan, and that's it. And put some spices, some special spices that you have, that you like, or maybe buy some new spices. So basically that's gonna be my recipe, so enjoy, and we will be seeing you on next Tuesday. Yeah. So these are the vegetables that we will be using, and our stir fry is gonna be with rice. So make sure before cooking it, wash it a few times to remove any kind of flour or dust. And for the ratio of cooking, it's very simple. It's 2:1. So basically 400 milliliters of water and 200 milliliters of rice. And make sure to season your water with at least salt. And for the cooking, when your rice with water is already boiling, make sure to minimize the flame to the lowest and boil it for maximum 10 minutes and leave it to rest. If you want to see cutting tutorial, make sure to like this video and I will make sure to create one. Firstly, we will be stir frying celery stems and onions because they have the most powerful aftertaste if not cooked correctly. And after a few minutes, we will be adding our minced garlic to milden the garlic itself. And after a few minutes of frying, we are adding mushrooms and carrots. And to heat everything through, we will be covering the wok. And last vegetables are leeks, paprika and zucchini, and then we will be adding our spices. That's curry powder, turmeric, smoked paprika and salt. And after a few minutes of cooking it, we will be adding all of our rice to the mix, mixing it thoroughly. And what makes this stir fry pop up is spring onions, basil, arugula, and also some splash of lemon juice. So make sure to mix everything thoroughly and add everything to the bowl. And to add some more texture, add on top of some nuts or seeds. So that's it. Enjoy.